Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to restore a previous version of a text file on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a text file we may have uploaded to the OneDrive portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, now let's go to office.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. Let's then now navigate to the OneDrive portal. And now let's go to Admin and then go to My Files. Let's now go within the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials. Within this folder, we should therefore then have some content that was uploaded, whether it's a video, photo, document, or a text file, which is what we will click on now, which then opens within a text editor. So in this tutorial, we are looking at how to go back in time through version control to access the file that was created previously before we made the new changes to update the file. So let's now click on those three dots, go to version history, and now if I were to, let's just say, click on the first version and click on restore, we now have version 6 of what the file will be on screen. So if I was to, let's just say, now click on X, go back one, reload the page, go back within my files, 2024, file 1.txt, and there we have it. When we created that text file, this is what we initially had, and this is what we now have. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.